Welcome to the Vila Video Lab tutorials. In this video I will show you how to create a project in Transana and also how to import your video footage. If we start by clicking on the Transana icon, the program will open. After a few seconds you will be able to see a new window. In this window you should give your project a name. My database for this project will be called Debates. If you then click OK, you'll be prompted with a new message. The Transana will tell you that this database does not exist and if you would like to create it. We click OK or Yes, and then Transana will open. You have now created your first project in Transana. In order to import your video footage into Transana, you should go to the Data Management window. In the Data Management window, you will find Libraries. Right-click on Libraries and select Add Library. Here you can type in a name for your library. I'll call my library Trump as Donald Trump. I'm the owner of this library, and in the comments field and the default keyword group, I'll just put in blank space. Hit OK, and then you can see that you now have a library with Trump. In order to get a video inside Transana, you should then right-click on the Trump library, and here you can see you can either add a document or an episode. In order to get your video inside Transana, you should select Episode. This means that an episode should be understood as a video, as a single individual video. In this we will call it Public Debate. And I can type in the date of the debate. And now you need to select the file you want to work with. I'll select Add File. And then I need to maneuver to my desktop, where I've positioned the file. And here you see my file. I'll then click Open. And the comment field and default keyword group I'll leave untouched. Then I'll click OK. And then Transana automatically prompts you to enter a transcript ID. I'll just call this Talk. And I can type in my transcriber ID initials, JD. And then I'll leave the rest as it is. In a future video we will also show you how you can import a template for your transcription, which is done in this window. But for now I'll just hit OK. And then Transana will prompt you with a message called No Waveform Exists. I'll create the waveform by clicking Yes. Then we will have to wait for a few seconds when Transana is creating the waveform.
Trump's campaign manager Paul Manafort told Fox News the GOP nominee would